Shakas, aloha crafty friends, it's Maka from Makaz Home. I'm back again with more hauls from the Stamp and Scrapbook Expo that was held here in Mesa, Arizona a couple weekends ago here in September. And so the next vendor I shopped at was a local vendor. I believe they are here out of Phoenix, and the company is called Photoplay. Let me know in the description box if you've heard of Photoplay, and if indeed that you know they are here from Phoenix locally. And let me know if you have a favorite paper pack or paper line that they've come out with, because I do love their papers. The quality is good. There is a gloss to their paper, but I like it. So I'm going to share what I got. And them too, you know, you bought so many, you got some free stuff. I know this was my free item I got here. So it's just a paper pad, 6x6 paper pad. That was my free item. These were $2 each. And so I got 2 of each theme of Ephemra pack, and this one is Excellent Adventure, and there's the Ephemra. The next one is Fern and Willard, and there's what's included. And then I got a gnome for the holidays, Halloween. How cute are these gnomes? And then I got the Belle Fleur. I don't know how you say that. But here's what's included in that one. And then I got Trick or Treat. And that's what's in that one. And then I got the Photoplay because it matched the make and take we did. And I'll leave a link to that video that shows the make and takes we did at the mega make and take event. But yeah, so the reason I got double is because I'm keeping a set and I'm giving away the other set to the subbies on my channel. So yeah, stay tuned for those videos so you can get instructions on how you can win these. So besides the ephemera packs, I of course picked up these 6x6 paper pads. They're Disney at the Park. You can never have too much Disney. They're double-sided, they're cut-aparts as well. So they're both the same. I just got two. And then, because we've been camping a lot and stuff, so I did get some like outdoor camping type of nature-y. Well, because of the Grand Canyon and the cactus, you know, because we live here in Arizona. We are home to one of the wonders of the world. So this was a paper pack I got from Photoplay. And this one, it's called Cabin Fever. This one was called National Parks, Grand Canyon. And I did work on 2 pages. Look at that. So I'll show you those after I go through the paper. But it comes with a sticker pack, cutouts, and then paper. There, this is what it comes with. Cut aparts, stickers, these papers, and I think they just make them bigger so you can see what they are, but these are the stickers. So yeah, so that, and then I got Halloween packs. And so there's the cut aparts. or here's the cut apart, and then the sticker. And then these are the actual sizes of the stickers. And then the paper, 12 by 12 paper. And this one is called All Hallows Eve. And then this one is called Trick or Treat. And so the cut aparts, the sticker sheet, and then this is the size of the stickers. And then the paper. So that was Photoplay. And then, but really this was like the only thing I really did get accomplished. I had to do at least one thing. Well, besides all the making takes, I did make this 2-spread. It's not, the only thing I have to still do is journal. Everything else, I think I am satisfied with. But, ooh, sorry, didn't mean to bump you, but there's the cactus paper. So this is the 2-spread layout. So sorry if there's a glare, but we went camping in Coconino National Forest. And that's the name of the campground. It was a group campground, but we were the only one there. There's 2 other group campsites as well, and nobody there. Just the park host or the campground host, just them and us. It was very, very peaceful. And this is right before the fires broke out up in Strawberry. I think that's where the fires were. I know it was near here though. But yeah, Sue. It's my dog chilling. And then there's the kiddos. My daughter, our friend's daughter, and her cousin. And these are our friends. And then the campground was right along the Arizona Trail. It's oh, you can see it. It goes from the bottom of our state to the top of our state. If you do this whole trail. I cannot even imagine that. But yeah, so this was my one accomplishment. But see, I did do something. I did accomplish something. So this was Photoplay, guys. I have 1, 2, probably 3 or 4 more videos from vendors of stuff that I bought. So stay tuned. If you're new here, welcome. Please consider liking and subscribing, especially if you like paper crafting videos. I love Disney, so I talk about Disney a lot. I'm originally from Hawaii, but I live in Arizona now. Please consider liking and subscribing. If you're returning, welcome back. I appreciate you taking the time to spend with me. For more videos like these, see her. And until my next video, shakas.